guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot believe it is December 20 already. Like, what happened here? So 5 days to Christmas, and my house of course is not ready because life happens, and this holiday season did not go as planned whatsoever. We're gonna add the final touches. We're gonna do the Christmas table escape. We're gonna add some Christmas decor to the areas that I didn't get to do. 5 days, we got this. Let's go. Before we jump into the cleaning and decorating, let's talk about my brand new Decor cordless vacuum cleaner and map. Yes, you guys heard that right. So I just got this one in the mail and I want to give it a try right away. A special thanks for Decor for sponsoring part of today's video. And you guys, I'm super excited because you guys know I love my Decor cordless vacuum, but this one maps the floor as well. So this is promising. So I cannot wait to try this. So here's how the Decor 1S5 Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner and Map looks straight out of the box. It is so pretty, first of all. It's just high tech over here. And this is everything that came on the box. Of course, a manual, a cleaning solution, a filter refill, and also this roller and these two attachments that we're going to figure out where they go in a second. Don't forget to check the description box. I will be adding the link for this wet and dry vacuum cleaner by Decor. I will also be adding a code if I'm given one, so don't forget to check that out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my new vacuum cleaner to charge, and I'm gonna start decorating until this thing charges. I am super excited and looking forward to trying this. So let's begin the decorating here on the entryway. If you watched my last video, then you've probably seen the makeover on the entryway wall. So today we're just gonna go ahead and decorate this space. Moving on into the formal space, I'm going to give this space a nice vacuum here where the rug is, and also of course clean up this glass table and my fireplace. To decorate my coffee table, I'm keeping things simple. This beautiful hydrangeas arrangement is by Marisol. I will link her page down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of her florals. The coffee table, the final touches, I am adding this beautiful glass candle holders that are from JCPenney, and I will link them down below if I find the link. Also, these LED candles are from them and they're amazing. So to my accent chair, I'm going to add these lumbar pillars that I got a while back at Home Goods. And here for my sofa, I'm going to keep it very neutral, and I'm just going to add two holiday pillows that I picked up at Burlington, and I'm just going to put them there. Christmas table setting, I'm going to go very simple, and I'm going to be using items that I already had at home and also some new items like those beautiful fur placemats, and those deers that you see there are from Big Lots from last year, and these glass streets are from this year from Big Lots, and the garland is from Ross. It came fully decorated, which is a plus. The stick candle holders are from TJ Maxx, and they are so pretty, you guys. The plate chargers are from Amazon, the white plates are from Home Goods, and also the clear plate on top is from Home Goods. My kitchen was pretty much clean, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe my counters before I start decorating. I'm over here just creating a little hot cocoa station / coffee station in this area. I know I'm late, but it doesn't matter. I still wanted to have one. So for this side of the kitchen, I'm keeping things simple. Who remembers that I used those trays for the guest bedroom decor for the fall? See, I'm just repurposing things and using things that I have already at home to decorate. That's the beauty of it. My island decor here, I'm creating a simple floral arrangement using branches from last year's Christmas tree and some new picks that I got this year at Target. Into the family room, I'm just cleaning this space and just, making it look a little bit better. Honestly, we didn't get to put the Christmas tree that I wanted to put in this area, but that's okay. There's always next year. That I'm done decorating, it's time to clean my floors, and I am super excited to try the new Tenco Smart Cordless Vacuum Cleaner and Map. So here I'm just adding the water and the solution to start cleaning my floors. Let's see how this works. So this Tinker machine comes with a very good sized water tank, which I love, and then it also comes with another water tank where your dirty water is gonna go. I already started mapping and vacuuming my floor all at the same time. How priceless is that? One of my favorite thing about this vacuum cleaner has to be how easy it is to maneuver. It is super lightweight, you guys. Another great feature that this machine has to be the edge cleaning technology. It makes it extremely easy for you to clean into corners. So here I put some crumbs so you guys can see how well it cleans it. The sucking power is amazing on this machine. And I also throw some orange juice to see how it picks up the liquid. And look at that. I'm telling you, it's amazing. Unbelievable. And here's with water. And just like that, you vacuum and mop your floors all at once. Tinker Machine also comes with a one-touch self-clean option for easy maintenance. If you want to save time on your cleaning routine and if you have pets and kids, this is the machine for you. You're going to thank me later. Check the description box. I'm ready to give you a last-minute Christmas tour. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I will see you all on the next one. God bless. Merry Christmas to you all.